The real download attribute forces a real file download instead of navigation. Rail genuinely adds actual real relationship metadata to a link. In this video you'll use both. Download genuinely forces the real browser to actually download this file instead of navigating to view it in the browser. Giving download a real value genuinely renames the actual downloaded file to that specific real name. Rail is equal to Nupener Norferer genuinely is a real security best practice for target is equal to _ blank links prevents the new real tab from accessing the original page. Download genuinely forces a file download instead of real navigation. Download is equal to name genuinely renames the actual downloaded file. Rail is equal to Nupener Norferer genuinely is a real security best practice for target is equal to _ blank. Add a real download attribute to a file link on your page. Ready to build real same page navigation with anchor links?